How to fix if system sound is disabled or not working on your Samsung device. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys what you can do to fix if you are not able to access your system sound or your notification sounds. So what I'm talking about right here is if I press my volume button right here and tap on this menu, I can access my ringtone and my media, but I cannot access my notification panel volume or my system volume. Even if I try to go ahead and open my settings, and then from here if I tap on sounds and vibrations, and from here if I tap on system sound, I cannot access this sound bar. So the only thing that is obstructing you from accessing this soundbar is you have to check if your do not disturb mode is turned on or not. So if I drag my notification panel, as you can see, I have my do not disturb turned on. Now in order to turn it off, you can swipe down and tap on the do not disturb icon, then it will be disabled. Now once you do this, you can access all of your volume bars right here, your system volume bar, your notification bar, your ringtone, and your media bar as well. Now, if you do this on your settings as well, you will be able to access everything. So if I tap on system sound, I can access this bar. If I tap on volume, I can access all of these bars right here as well. So that's how you can easily fix your problem. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.